My name is David Brown, the President of Datotel. We're helping our clients solve primarily two main goals, and that's to reduce their risk exposure to system downtime and data loss, and then secondly to help them lower their total cost of ownership of their IT infrastructure. You know, the real differentiator, we've got some great assets, some very cool technology, but it's really the people that make the difference. So that's how we knit all that together and provide a flexible solution for our clients that makes a difference. As we move into more of a business outcomes IT focus, it's very important that we can use the information that we're gathering and change that into actionable information so we can help our end clients with their user experiences. Where I'd like to go in the future is to dive deeper into those applications, have a better understanding of the performance, and make sure they understand their end consumer's experience to make sure they're satisfied with that level. It's so important that we can offer those services to our clients, because at the end of the day, their customers are just one click away from their competitors. Technology has historically had a more reactive role in an organization. Technology is now leading the charge as opposed to reacting. It's about being proactive, about looking for those customer opportunities that perhaps sales, operations, or marketing hasn't seen, and it's about driving revenue as opposed to being a cost center. We have a great relationship with CA Technologies. Certainly we have lots of vendor relationships in place, but this feels like a true partnership. Not only do they listen, but we actually see that they're acting on some of those thoughts that we have, or through assisting us with other business goals or challenges we might be faced with. As we've moved from mainframe to client-server to cloud computing era, we've had to become more nimble and more responsive to our end clients. We use the CA technology platforms in order to gather that data and make it into useful, actionable information on a real-time basis so that our team can be responsive and provide a dependable, reliable service to our end customer. As we move to more business outcome focus drivers, no longer is acceptable just to be talking about uptime, capacity, and so on. We have all that information already. Where we need to move to and we're transitioning to is understanding the end user's experience. And I'm not talking about our customer, but our customer's customer. So how are they experiencing technology, whether they're buying something online or using an AR/AP system. So it's about understanding that transaction and making sure their experience is what they're looking for. An example of where technology is leading the business is a recent client we're working with. They're bringing to market a new web application. They had an idea for what they were going to receive from a client standpoint, so user interaction, and they knew the performance they were looking for, but they had no idea how to scale or what that meant for the back office infrastructure. Using CA technology tools, we were able to trend some of the recent activity as to where that infrastructure needed to be in order to support the number of clients who we're looking to support. So as we move into more of a business outcomes IT focus at Datotel, it means flexibility, it means being proactive, it means using technology as both a driver for revenue, but also for the customer experience.